Nvidia gaps up.
DKNG. Took a Dell short, and I took a Tesla short, and I took a DKNG short.
Okay.
Tesla's an inside day, so I'm planning on getting out pretty soon. Just a little scalp down. But Dell's looking better. DKNG's working. I'm going to take. Taking a partial on Dell.
Yeah, right here at the low.
And DKNG, I'm going to take a partial in a second. We're at support. All right. Nice 3 good little trades to start the morning. Wow, Nvidia still going up.
Yeah.
I know.
Looks great. Okay, Nvidia has a 3-bar play, or no, sorry, opening ring 3.
Taking a PDD short.
All right. And the video's going up. Still, hopefully.
Yeah.
Tesla. Go. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Oh, crowd looks good too. Crowd. That's got a shot gap right there. That's nice. Touch through.
Wow. Yeah.
Come on, crowd. All right, come on. There we go. Sweet.
Potential long and down.
On Dell? Yeah, maybe. It's underneath all the moving averages. Still for me. So I won't take it yet. Oh, I don't know what this INSM is, but it looks bearish too. I ended up taking the video 5-minute opening range breakup, still going up.
Which one?
I'm out of Tesla for my short. But right now, I'll jump back in if it gets underneath the low of day. All right. I like this DKNG. Hopefully, it can get back underneath the low here.
Yeah.
AMD looks great. Might be a... I jumped into AMD underneath that bottoming tail there.
AMD?
Yeah, it's hoping it comes back down a little lower here. And I'm in DKNG as well. Hopefully it keeps going. Come on, DKNG. Let's go.
Nice.
Yeah. AMD looking better. Keep going. Dell's looking good. I'm going to peel some off on Dell. Ooh, Dell, look at that. Nice. Okay, let me get a... That's what I was saying. It's not long until it gets over that 8 and the 20 and that VWAP, you know?
Yeah.
Come on, baby. Come on. Ooh, nice. Dell's working good for me. I'm just going to keep holding on to it a little bit. AMD's working for me still. There we go. Taking a partial on DKNG, new 5-minute low. Crowd looks great. Hopefully it can keep going. Almost to the 200 period moving average on Dell.
Yeah.
There we go. Covered a little bit. DKNG still going. There we go. Come on, DKNG. There we go. There we go. Come on, come on. Oh, well, the market's going. Well, there you go. That explains it. There we go. Okay, I'm going to cover a little bit more on Dell here. And crab. All right, nice. Nice, nice. Okay, let's see what else we got here. On the gap downs, we got something called AY. What? BKNG still good. Still looks good. Ooh. Apple looks like it's gonna reverse its move. Dell's still going.
Yeah, Dell is good.
Come on, a little lower, Dell.
I mean, OKLO breakdown.
OKLO?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, level 2.
Alright. What else? Nice. Jeez, Dell. What the heck? Look how big this drop is from that VWAP rejection.
Yeah, no, I see
Nice.
that. Good.
Yeah, that was unexpected. I didn't think it was gonna go like that, but wow. I'm out of the whole thing now. That wide range bar, I feel like that was the bottom for a little bit. So I'm just gonna I'll jump back in if I get another setup, but I can't give back this entire bar, you know?
Yeah.
That's like the size of like 10 bars in one, so it's like no point in doing that. Maybe something came out. Oh, it's probably the news. It's probably people getting, you know, thinking about the news. It's gonna come out. Dustin looks good for more downside if we can get underneath this this consolidation. We'll see. You could take an AMD long here, but it would be a scalp. You're going against the strength of the trend.
Yeah.
All right. Let's see, what else do we got here? Look at. Just moving my stop loss down a little lower. VWAP play on NVIDIA, if you want to take that trade long, it's a very, 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 very wide stop loss. But that's what you'd have to do if you took a long right now above this candle. I'm not going to do it. It may work. I just don't like the risk to reward. Not good risk to reward at all. Wow. Okay.
It's OKLO is not working.
Which one?
It's taking the OKLO.
OKLO. Let's see. Let's see why that one's not working. Well, you got it to the high after 3 bars. So that's always a little tricky. OKL. Oh, you took. Yeah, 3 bars from the bottom to the top. It's not bad. You'd have to keep your stop loss, you know, all the way down under 1126 still.
Yeah, the low of today.
Yeah. That's what I would do.
I miss SE
Yeah.
from open.
Cool. Yeah, I'm still in DKNG, still going down. I got out of Dell 1 bar too soon. Look at it, it's producing another huge bar. Wow. I didn't think it was going to go this far, but
Yeah,
I guess it's right around the area that it would probably.
You got to believe, man.
I know. I should have just held. I mean, at least I held DKNG.
Okay, I'm kind of hitting my target for the day. Thinking about slowing down now.
Oh, if you got your target, then lower your share size so you don't give back your profits.
Yeah.
I think I'm close to my target too.
I got out of OKLO because kind of choppy. Then.
Yeah, I see that. It's not a bad idea just to not lose your amount.
Yeah. Just don't want to lose my full amount yet.
I'm looking, you know, you got the 20-period moving average underneath it on the daily, so that's good. And the 20-period moving average still there, but I understand if you're, you know, you gotta manage your risk, you know. Come on, buddy. Come on. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Come on. Come on, DKNG. You got this.
Yeah, you're in the DKNG, I'm in the PDD.
Oh, I can't hear you. You're too soft.
Oh. Just say you're in the DKNG, that's doing well. I'm doing the PDD, that's doing well.
Yeah, I'm in DKNG. You know, I guess it was a good spot that I got Dell out of Dell. Look, if I had gotten out bar by bar, I'd be out pretty much the same spot now. So it's pretty close.
Yeah.
Look at PAAS.
Oh yeah, it's as a level 2 or to the upside.
PAS. Cool. That level 1 off the VWAP for NVIDIA would have been working still.
Yeah.
I just didn't like the risk to reward.
I mean, it can just like keep going up, right? Go up to 1200 or something.
Yeah. Yeah, I told you, I'm just looking where the last batch of sellers came in, and they came in at the top of this pivot. So I have no idea if it's going to keep going higher or not. I'm just looking at risk to reward. It's like I'm risking 1 R to make a quarter of an R, you know?
Yeah.
Whereas, taking like, let's see here. I think DKNG might be done.
Got stop out, OKO.
I see that. Yeah. I think on the daily, OKLG might hit resistance. So that's why.
Mm-hmm. The video's breaking out. Here we go.
Wow.
Level 2. I don't trust it though, but it is doing it. It's a pattern, legit pattern.
Yeah.
But you take it, that's 3 bars up from the entry. Don't like that. I'm all out of DKNG now. Thinking about trying to catch some knives here on anything. Let's see, DKNG, no. You got INSM that looks like a short, even though it's a gap up.
Interesting. A lot of volume today.
AMD has a VWAP bounce right here. VWAP pullback. Hasn't triggered yet, so nothing to do.
Multiply PDD.
Well, decided to take a level 1 short on NVIDIA. Let's see if we can break underneath VWAP. This is going to be a scalp, but working a little bit.
Okay. Kind of counter trend things, you know. Can't pick one for the day, right?
It's my one, my one counter trend. I also took a Tesla VWAP short here. Hopefully it works. Come on, NVIDIA, get down to VWAP, baby. Come on. Come on, Tesla. Come on, NVIDIA. So NVIDIA is a level 1 short off of a new high failure. Tesla's a level 1 short off of a VWAP pullback. I can get out of NVIDIA, I think, probably just get out and break even here. I don't like it's holding so well. Whereas Tesla's going down nice and easy.
Yeah, that's why you go with a trend, and NVIDIA will counter trend, so...
Exactly, yeah.
Break even is a good idea.
Yeah, exactly, yeah. Go one's with the trend, one's against the trend, and the one with the trend is working, and then the one against the trend is...
Yeah.
Up. Alright, I got on Tesla break even.
Right. I guess I'm out of everything now. Oh,
okay. Here comes Tesla.
Oh, damn it. PDD still going down.
Yeah. Alright, I took a DKNG long.
I see that.
This is going to be a scalp back up to VWAP. There we go. Nice little move going up. Okay, so the things are coming out. News is coming out now. Consumer sentiment has just come down, and it is confident, meaning people like to buy.
Yep.
So that may take the market back up. Take a look at PFE. That's an interesting short right here off the VWAP. PFE. Nice little move down, hit the VWAP, goes down lower.
Yeah.
Looks good. Nice. I like the VWAP thing. I took the PFE short.
Yeah.
We'll see how it goes. That's the VWAP rejection that I like to see. Target is back down to the low of day, which is 28.14.
Yeah, it's a 2-to-1 ratio.
Dell's coming back up to VWAP. We'll see what it does around there. DKNG is working for me to the long side off the level 1. I'm thinking right around here is probably going to be a short. The videos.
Check out CVS.
CVS, all right, let me take a look. CVS. Yeah, that's nice. Opening range break to the downside, pull back to VWAP. 3-bar play right there.
Yeah. Trigger.
All right. Well, let's see what DKNG does right here. If it does the VWAP pullback, that'd be really nice. I can re-short it over here, but I have to wait for it to trigger.
Yeah.
That's my main thing. I'm moving my stop loss on PFE over the VWAP now. So if it gets back over the VWAP a little bit, I'll get out for slightly right around break even. And then DKNG, I think probably a good place to exit my long. And let's see what happens on this next move here. Nice. PFE's working pretty good now.
Yep, it's working great.
Yeah, just want to get to that low of day there. Sure.
You in anything, Lynn?
Me?
No, I'm watching the future and SE.
SE? Okay.
I lost OKLO.
Yeah.
That's one trade I took. And watching the future.
Okay.
Try to long on future.
I might jump into this trade called AY. I don't know what it is.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah, it looks like a setup's coming in. It's above VWAP, so I'm going to wait, but I like it.
That thing is like just in the channel right now.
But it moved very slow. I've been watching it.
Yeah.
So I don't like the move. Too slow.
We'll see. Yeah, I might do it. I'm just going to wait until it breaks the VWAP and holds.
You close
Alright, I'm getting out of DKNG here for my long. I'm going to probably re-short it. I figured a doji bar.
Okay.
Gotta wait for that doji bar though, or some sort of inside bar.
Yeah. WDAY can be short.
Oh. Alright, AY, come on, buddy. WDAY?
Yeah.
Let me take a look.
Did it move, AY?
AY move. Let's break out that channel now.
AY? Oh.
Yep, I jumped in. Hopefully it works. WGAY, yeah, I like the VWAP pullback right here. It's not bad. Pullback is kind of shallow, but got a legit move. Wow, that Dell where I got out of the Dell, look, it ended up being perfect. That thing is just going crazy to the upside. Wow. Okay. Amazing. Dell is just continuing to go higher. Wow. NVIDIA is just going sideways now, so I'm just gonna take that off my charts unless I see it break the VWAP. Then I'll go short, and if it goes higher, it breaks the candle to the upside, then I'll go long. Yeah, I'd wait for WGAY to clear the low of day. That's the way I think would be a good spot. Or wait for a secondary entry. So it triggered already. Now just wait for another entry and don't get in until you get that secondary entry. Like I'm waiting for DKNG to trigger, but I might give it a secondary entry too. We'll see. PFE, I'm just lowering my stop loss a little bit lower on the trade. That way it keeps, hopefully it doesn't come back up, stop me out break even. Let's see, NVIDIA is just going sideways, nothing to do yet. Hopefully this AY can keep going a little lower here. Okay, DKNG, I'm glad I didn't short it yet. Oh, NVIDIA might actually be cracking lower here. We'll see. It's a little bit like it's having trouble here at the highs, but it's a consolidation, so. Okay. Let's see here. We've got a level 1 possibly on crowd. Just watch out for that. That could be a good short eventually, maybe. Looks like it's trying to trigger. Looks like NVIDIA might be breaking the VWAP soon.
Did you get your AY?
I did. Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Got my AY, and we'll see. I'm going to jump into crowd as well.
INSM is breaking a new low now. You missed the entry.
Oh. All right, well, I got into crowd short. Hopefully this level 1 works here. It's a little shallow. NVIDIA kind of looks like it's rolling over too. We'll see. The VWAP is right here. Will it hold or will it break underneath the VWAP?
Getting out that I don't know, PFE.
PFE?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm
It has bottoming tail and doji.
Yeah, I'm going to flatten here. Get out of this position too.
Even though we could come back down, but at the moment, I don't know.
Yeah.
The AY is working.
Yeah, very slow. But it's going. And we jumped in NVIDIA, so hopefully we can get NVIDIA back down to the low of day here. I like this level 2 brake. I put a little bit, okay. There we go, come on NVIDIA, a little lower. Probably not. Nah. There's those NVIDIA. Come on, NVIDIA. Get back down to the 20.
PDD could come back down.
I'm in the future.
There we go. There goes NVIDIA. Backing for me. Good, good, good.
You short NVIDIA?
Yeah, I did a little fun little scalp here. It's not, you know, just something. Just a little thing. Figured I'd give it a shot. I did it from the level 1 and then took a partial at VWAP and then added back in a little bit underneath VWAP. Hopefully it can keep going down now from this point. All right.
Disney is strong today.
Okay, here's the DKNG coming, doing my VWAP thing. Well, no, it broke over, so it's not going down yet. So we'll see what it does at the 20 here.
Market bounce back.
Yeah.
Ah.
Because I'm in the market. I'm in the future. MES.
Uh-huh. Cool.
Good move.
Okay, I got my level 1 on DKNG. PFE looks great.
PFE for level 2 may add to that.
Yeah, that looks great right there. Hopefully you can keep going. Yeah, come on, baby. Come on. NVIDIA, come on, NVIDIA. A little lower. A little lower. Dun, dun. PFE being funky. That's okay.
Yeah.
But OKLO could be a good short right here. DKNG working for me, which is good.
Yep.
I think target's going to be at this 8-period moving average that's underneath it. I'd love it to just break through the 8, but I know better. I'll lower my stop loss on AY underneath this 5-minute low.
Yeah. That looks good.
AY. Okay. So slow, AY.
Yeah. Yeah. Some of these stocks just go very slow. All right, come on, PFE, show us. Show us more downside. Let's see if NVIDIA cracks the 20 or if it bounces off the 20. If it bounces off the 20, I'll get out above this green bar to maybe go long. Breaks the 20 to the downside, then I'll hold on. My short. Come on, buddy. Come on, WDAY. You can do it. Go lower.
What? WDAY?
Oh, my bad. Not DKNG.
Okay, I'm like, why are you taking that
I
one?
said WDAY. I guess I was looking at DKNG.
Ah.
But I just looked at WDAY a second ago.
Like, you taking espresso sauce or something?
Yeah, I know, yeah. That looks like I'm glad I didn't jump into that because that level 1 was too shallow, you know?
Yeah, I didn't take it either. CBS is doing another level 2. Mm.
Come on. I think I got out of NVIDIA break even here. I think it's too strong. I think it's going to go up. Might be a good level 1 right here. Off the 20. Yeah, that looks good. I'll take it long. Just very small. See what it does. Might as well have one long in here in my trades.
You want a long one? Try SMR.
Okay, hold on. I gotta SMR. Oh, okay. Yeah. Well, let's see if NVIDIA can crack a lack to the upside here.
Hmm.
Looks good. Let's see. If it breaks the 20, then I think this could be a great short. It's just, I don't want to wait around.
Wait, do we have good news or something?
Which one?
Did we have a good news? Let me see.
I think so. We had something that the market liked, but you never know.
The Fed say that's
might-
the auto raising
Might
rate.
re-jump into Dell here short again later. Oh, PFE looking better too. That's great.
Yeah. I might add to that.
Yeah. BKNG looking better. Come on, buddy.
Yeah.
A little downside move would be great. It can go. We'll see. If the 28's getting close to it, so I'm a little skeptical.
Let's see. Oh, I'm adding to that PFE.
Yeah, I just did myself. Yeah. I like it. Hopefully it keeps going this time.
Yeah.
Looks good. Definitely want to put our stop loss above VWAP.
Yeah, it's above the web.
Yeah, come on, PFE. Come on, NVIDIA, come on. Come on, PFE. Keep going, keep going. Okay, come on. All right, come on. All right, NVIDIA, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Doing that long?
Yeah, off the VWAP, off the 8. Sorry, off the 20, off the VWAP.
Moving my stop for DKNG to above that doji.
Good idea.
Because the stock is kind of like up in VWAP. It can go either way.
Yeah.
Stop me out.
Yep, I got out of DKNG. No problem. I figured, you see that 8. That's the problem. The 8's underneath it.
Yeah.
So basically, it's kind of like it's either going to bounce at the 8 and have to, it doesn't mean it's long. It's just, but it means that, hey, like the bullish sentiment. I'm out of AY as well, break even. If bullish sentiment for me is like, there's like a standstill between the bulls and the bears. Because the 8 should be above it. If the 8's above it, then you know that the stock is bearish enough that it really can't rally strong enough to get above the 8. But it's not, but it could eventually roll back over. And that's why I love secondary entries. So like, for instance, if this next pivot gets taken out that it created,
yeah,
I think that could be a nice short.
Could be.
Like Dell, to me, that pivot that's breaking to the downside, I think that's a pretty good short right here on Dell.
Okay, not looking good for PFE.
I might jump back into DKNG underneath this bar, this doji bar, if it happens. We'll see.
15 minutes, right?
Oh, yeah, I guess, yeah. That would be
Looks
the same.
great, yeah.
Yeah. And I reshorted Dell. We'll see if I can get a little drop on this one. A little bit. Looks good. It's bullish, so it's above the moving averages. Yeah. I don't like it. Never mind. All right. Oh, almost forgot. Crowd. All right, there we go. Took a level 1 right there off the VWAP on crowd. This has a problem as well. The 8's underneath it, but I'm doing it anyway. Hopefully it can work. It's a good target at the low of day, pretty far away. Let's see here. We got
What? Crowd's an inside A.
crowd. Yeah, crowd's an inside A, but it started with a gap up, chop gap. So it's different. I reshorted DKNG just a little. I'm going to add to it. It gets underneath here. I figured right now I'll just hold on to it. My stop is at 36.99. I like it.
Yeah.
Come on, DKNG. You know you want to go back down to the lower day. You know it. Come on, break that pivot. Break the pivot.
PFE hopefully can come down now.
Yeah, PFE looking a little bit better.
Looking better.
With
Yeah.
that doji candle, definitely lower your stop loss. You know.
Oh, it's still above the VWAP. No.
On PFE, yeah. That's like the really good spot, you know, for sure.
Hey, PDD still going down. Wish I'm still in.
Which one?
PDD.
PDD. Okay, let me take a look.
It's going very slow. That's my best one for today.
PDD. Oh, that's nice. Yeah. We're at the low of day now. Could be a double bottom, but it looks great. I like it. Breaking the low now as well.
AY look like coming down. Doing a level 1 right now.
Which one?
AY.
Oh, AY. Okay, let me take a look.
Oh, finally?
It's pull back up and then look like want to come down again.
But still so slow.
It's very slow.
Oh. What do you think about CORT?
C.
Hold on, I gotta. CORT.
Uh-huh.
No, let me see.
It's still below VWAP.
CORT. I don't know.
It's moving so slow too.
Yeah, maybe I'd go with try to just find something a little cleaner. I don't know what direction you want to go in.
Yep.
Stay below the VWAP, but it's gapped up.
Yeah. So it's a gap up stock that's sold off below the VWAP. Looks good for a short based off of just my rules of, you know, being underneath the VWAP, underneath the moving average, but at the same time, you know, I don't know, like that's a gigantic bottoming tail on the daily chart.
Yeah, but the pre-markets can go up to like $39 again.
Yeah. I mean, it looks like a short. Can you short it? If you try?
Yeah, you could.
Oh, okay. Well, I guess just maybe wait for it to get under this level 2 here and short it and see where it goes and put your stop above VWAP and just let the trade, you know, take you.
DKNG triggers me in.
Yeah, it's working. I'm in it. Hopefully we get back down to the low of day. That's it looking beautiful.
Yeah.
There we go. Come on, DKNG. There you go. There you go. Same with PDD. Come on, buddy. Same with PFE. There we go.
Oh, the market's dropping.
I got out of NVIDIA break even here. Feel like it's not. You see that? Went up 1 bar. It's coming back down to the entry. Probably a good idea to get out. I think it might roll over. We'll see.
Wanna try a pullback on Disney?
On Disney. Oh, okay. Hold on. I'm gonna lower my stop here on PFE. I'm just doing bar by bar, just in case. And by the way, I jumped into PDD, so hopefully it keeps going. I jumped in on the previous 5-minute bars low.
Wow, very nice.
But I don't know. It's not that great of a setup, to be honest, because you see how many bars in a row.
Yeah, kind of fall from that moving average too.
Yeah, exactly. So I'm lowering my stop little bit by little bit. You know, this crowd looks great.
Crowd looks great.
Yeah, it's inside day, but it's inside day starting from an outside day. So I like the fact that it had it's got this strong momentum to the downside from a big gap up. So it's shocked a lot of people. And I think target could be the low of day. So we'll see. Come on, PDD. I think PFE is looking like a grinder now, which I'm not very good at trading. So hopefully it doesn't pop here because I'll just get out. I can't, you know, do grinders. Okay, I got out of PFE. We'll see if that was the right choice or if that was. Or if that was.
Gonna keep.
It looks like it was the right choice. But that's just one bar right now. Come on, PDD, keep going. Okay. Well, definitely good learning experience on WDAY. I didn't short this. I was waiting to short this 2 places, and it never triggered for me. And now it's going even higher. So that's good, you know, seeing that. Let's see what happened to Dell.
Sideways.
Dell's starting to look a little bit bullish.
Yeah.
But we'll see. We'll see. I mean, it's got this level right here that is 165.13. If it gets underneath there, it could be a short. If it gets above 166.80, it could be a long. Yeah. Oh, of course, NVIDIA is probably going to come back up. Create a secondary entry here that I should jump in, but I'm looking at those economic reports. Oh. All right. I am moving my stop loss on DKNG above the VWAP. Hopefully can't get above there. PDD still going. This is beautiful. NVIDIA looks better for more upside move. Looks great. Off the VWAP. After a secondary entry. Come on, NVIDIA. It's time to squeeze. Get that squeeze. There we go. Come on, NVIDIA. I like that NVIDIA tried to go down twice. I'm sorry, 3 times it tried to go down. Each time it's being picked up really strong. And then every time, it's not a very easy trade though to hold. Because to me, the characteristics are very choppy. But it's still, the strong uptrend is still prevailing so far. I think PDD might be done. I see this big spike in volume coming in here. So it might be time to get out of this short. Oh, 3-bar play on DKNG. Maybe an ad right here. We'll see. If not, I would get out above this 3-bar play. That's another place to trail. Ah. Okay, come on, baby.
Go see.
Okay, crowd is looking.
Yeah, that looks good.
Crowd looking a little bit better. We'll see. And then PDD, come on, PDD. You added to crowd?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it. It's kind of a similar pattern that we had to PFE. You got the first cell set up, level 1, and then you produce a couple inside bars, and then a break underneath that. Just hopefully you can get back down to one of these pivots. That'd be nice. And then this court, you got a level 1 short right here if you wanted to get in early. But I'm still not touching this thing until I see it break the VWAP. Break this level 2, 3096. That way I know that. Oh, good. Okay, there we go. Crowd. Come on, crowd. Come on. If crowd can get back down to the low of day, I think we got a chance for it to even get underneath yesterday's low. Because this sell-off, whoever this gap up was an opportunity for people to sell. So it doesn't look like the buyers are stepping into today's price action. It just looks like the shorts maybe tried to short at the low of day and are getting squeezed out. And they got squeezed out all the way to like VWAP, and now the stock can go down naturally.
Well, I was wrong about Disney. It's actually going back up.
Oh, really? Let me take a look, Disney.
Shooting on SE 15 minutes charge.
SE?
What, sorry?
SE on 15 minutes charge.
Oh, okay.
I know it's above VWAP. I don't like that, but.
Oh, you're thinking for a short?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Let me see. SE. Yeah, it's not bad. It's got I like the location. I wish that it wasn't above, for me on my pre-market data, I wish it wasn't above all these moving averages. I feel like if I try to short this part, I'll just let this go. If it triggers without me. But I'd rather see it underneath the VWAP.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, a better chance.
You still in that PDD?
Yeah, actually, yeah.
Wow.
I think it's gonna probably be done now. I'm thinking about raising my stop loss on crowd just above the 2 candles ago.
Yeah. That also.
Oh, here comes Dell breaking out. Level 2 just broke out. Looks good. Okay, I'm out of PDD here. Might be too soon, but I looked, I see, thinking probably gonna bounce a little bit. I'd like to get back in, but I just
Yeah, Dell looks good for long.
Which one?
Dell.
Oh, Dell? Yeah. Yeah, I just took it. Just small. I'm gonna add to it if I see it, produce a secondary entry, but very small.
I don't like that.
Just kind of like what I'm doing on the video, just small amount of shares. Your video looking like it's struggling, but I don't know. Maybe it'll all of a sudden blast off. Well, I got out of PDD too soon. It's going up. It's going down still. Oh gosh. DKNG, I love that it's basing sideways here after the level 1, the level 2 break. So maybe we'll get another level 2. We can add to this trade.
Moving my stop to do DKNG. Doesn't look like it's gonna break that level.
Which one?
DKNG.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks like it might go back up, and do like a lower high, at the 20.
Yeah.
That definitely happens.
Oh, crap.
Crap, gave me a bad fill. Did you see that?
Yeah.
That was mean. I guess they know where all the stop losses are.
I mean, the market is going up, and so you know.
Yeah, the market's going up. Nvidia's doing good. Hopefully, it can keep going up. Come on, Nvidia, keep going, keep rising. Yeah, I'm getting out of DKNG right here, and then I'll just re-enter underneath all that.
You just trigger me out. I'm done for the day.
Which one? DKNG?
Yeah.
The funny thing is, we really shouldn't be scared of these tiny little, insignificant pops, but just the way.
Interesting. Okay.
More loss on SE.
Oh, SE.
Oh yeah, I didn't really see an
I shouldn't
entry.
do it,
I know you mentioned it.
I know I shouldn't do it because they're above the VWAP.
Yeah.
5
Yeah,
and
that's what
15
happened.
minutes. I know.
I
Learn
know.
my lesson.
I know.
But my future is pretty good.
Oh, great.
The future I only trade on 200 MA on 15-minute charge.
Nice. Okay.
I don't do good today. Red day.
Red day.
Oh, okay.
Well, hopefully it's small.
The one killed me is which one? The LK. I even took it off from.
I just got out of Dow break even here. Came back down to my entry.
OKLO. Sucker.
Oh yeah. That one is kind of suck. I lost on that one too.
Wait, oh yeah. Mm-hmm. Remember I was saying after it broke, you guys should short it.
I know.
Yeah.
Should've.
It's like, I mean, that breakout failure, that new high failure, and then the attempt to bounce. That's two things in a row, telling you telling you some two bearish, sentiments. So the first, the new high failure, and then when it broke the low day, tried to come back. That's 100% retracement, and then with 100% retracement, the first bounce usually fails, and then it did, and then it gave you that little, had a green, a couple little bars that you could short underneath, and bam, just I went colliding down. But I didn't do it. I didn't feel good about it. I think I was just in too many trades.
You probably were.
Yeah.
PFE is working now. Finally.
Yeah, PFE. I jumped back in, so hopefully that works.
So today no bunny, just have McDonald's.
Oh, okay. All right. Yeah, I'm looking at is the SPY doing an inside day? Let's see. What's the SPY?
Barely moving.
Oh, PDD is triggering a level 1 to the upside, but I wouldn't do it. It's got the pattern. I don't know. And then you still got that court just going sideways here. Could be a long or short. I don't know. I guess to me, I would short it under $30.96. Sorry, $30.93 to be safe, and then maybe go long on it above $32. Oh wow, look at
just
PDD.
like AY, don't move.
I know. I see.
Oh, look at SE.
Yeah,
Before
that
I
I
got
know.
off with small, very small.
Yeah, that I've learned my lessons so many times. You would think I would never do it again, but I've learned my lessons so many times. Lynn, when the stock is above the VWAP, above the 8, and above the 20, even if it's a gap down, I have to wait for it to get below because
Mm-hmm.
you get these little squeezes. So I've sometimes just taken them long because I'm
I
like,
know I should have taken long, like 4 candles ago on 15-minute charge.
oh, okay, yeah.
Or the second green candle on 15 above VWAP.
Yeah, you never know, right? It could have, keep going up, and the cool thing is, if you're wrong, you just lose whatever amount that you're willing to lose, and then you get back in the opposite direction.
Mm-hmm.
Well, it looks like NVIDIA might be done, so I might, yeah, right there's pretty much it. I'm looking at this DKNG possibly for a more downside move here.
Yeah, I'm doing like a level 3
And
now.
I like it. I like it. Hopefully it can trigger. I think if you short this, you got to put your stop above the 20. Because I have a feeling it'll do a breakdown failure, pop back up, hit the 20, and then roll back down. And you'll be like, what the heck? So just give it a wide enough stop loss to withstand some of the shit that it's going to probably put us through. It's annoying to, like, when you have that, like, thought of, like, well, if I get into this, it's probably going to do this. But then you don't have the patience to sit through the things that you said you knew it was going to do. And then it does everything that you said it was going to do, but you got out earlier because you're just impatient about holding it.
Yeah.
Like PDD,
I know.
I mentioned earlier, here's some nice level 1 to maybe go long, but I'm not going to do it. And it's working. I don't know why, I just couldn't take it. I guess I was too... Oh, NVIDIA, sweet. All right. Okay, come on, buddy. Come on. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Please don't be a breakout failure. There we go.
Dang, is it going to 1 point?
Nice.
Hopefully.
I don't know, but this is a good pattern. I love that it did what it did so far.
Oh,
PFE's working. Woo!
DKNG.
Oh, sorry, not PFE. DKNG. PFE is just grinding. I can't take it. I can't take this freaking PFE. It's too grindy for me. I'm moving my stop loss on PFE a little lower, closer to the price. I am not good at the way this travels.
Yeah, you know what? I just don't know how to make the move that stop with the stock. With that kind of move, you know?
Yeah, exactly. Like you move it down 1 bar, it breaks out, takes you out, and then creates another setup. And you're like, okay, I guess there's another setup for me to get in.
Yeah,
but ultimately, I guess, the best situation would have been just keep it at VWAP and don't touch it.
Right.
And just wait for it to get to the low of day.
What?
Here comes NVIDIA, maybe up another bar higher.
What? PFE can move to the low day like that, like we thought, and then you can sit here and like, why we get out?
Yeah. Well, DKNG is working a lot smoother than PFE, but they're both going. There we go. Come on, DKNG. DKNG to me is my favorite looking chart for the day. Oh, and PDD. I think as far as charts go, I love that DKNG had a opening range breakdown, and then a pullback to VWAP, and then a secondary entry. I just think that's so pretty. It's such a clean chart. Whereas, like, I look at NVIDIA, that's just disgusting. I think it's really hard to trade NVIDIA. You have to have a lot more patience. You have to zoom out on a higher time frame, not, not get. Or for instance, crowd.
And of course,
Crowd's
PFE
really
is working.
gross.
It's going into all direction on top.
Which one? PFE.
Yeah.
I know.
I mean, hindsight-wise, just go with the 8 moving averages, you'll be fine too.
Yeah, it's true. I mean, there are people that, big hedge funds, I guarantee you, that are trading like probably every single stock in the stock market simultaneously. Like they just have robots, right? Or not every single stock, but they're probably trading a certain criteria of a stock.
Yeah.
And it's just the robot, just the AI or the bot or whatever, just basically says, hey, if a stock is underneath the VWAP, underneath the, whatever moving averages, put on a short position and risk blank amount of money on the trade with a stop above VWAP, or with a stop, probably better even yet, they probably just say with a stop above high of day. And then they probably, after a certain amount of time goes by, the algo then changes and says, okay, now I'm moving the stop to VWAP. And then now the algo's, and then of course the algo probably has, in it to take partials at the low of day, that kind of thing. I mean, if you think about what would be easiest thing to program is something like that versus like other things like, well, the 8 has to be below the this and the that, They probably don't care, and they probably don't care about the individual bars too. Like what, like for instance, what did DKNG do prior to this little, they don't give a crap. They're just like, hey, stock is down for the day and it's below the VWAP. Okay, put the short on. That's it. So all that little extra stuff that we're freaking out about, they don't care. Which is very interesting, because if they don't care about that and they're making a shit ton of money,
oh man, PFE.
Should we care about it? Or should we be smarter about it and just say, yeah, it's true? Well, DKNG is working pretty good. Gonna keep holding here. I'm gonna try to go bar by bar on this. This is a nice 5-minute bar here. Hopefully it just keeps going to the next bar. PDD is working really good to the upside, but I totally skipped that one. And that's 3 bars up now off that, or 2 bars up, I guess, off the inside 5-minute bar. And then possibly crowd, you have a secondary entry right here, but I'm not going to take it anymore. I noticed crowd, like you said, crowd's an inside day.
Yeah.
And it's behaving a little bit more like an inside day now, that it's just sitting in this range. All right, well, I only got one trade on basically, so I'm just gonna let this trade play out with DKNG and then call it a day.
Yes.
I just got out of my NVIDIA. I don't like it anymore. It was a small profit on NVIDIA, but I really was hoping it would keep going. Just don't like this 180 bar after a breakout, after a new high.
Yeah.
I was thinking, yay, we're gonna keep going, and then this 5-minute bar is telling me otherwise. So PDD could be a good short eventually. I think it's trying to get up to that 20. I'm going to close everything down, call it a day. I made a little bit, made about basically around an R.
Okay.
Good job.
Thanks. Yeah, I just used small shares and just kind of kept things really small, just so I could add. I really wish I had that study working,
I know.
because then I'd probably make a couple more R's today, knowing where that, where my risk unit was. But I had to sort of just approximate when I'd add.
There's a guy who sells indicator, like use a Thinkorswim.
Yeah. You could talk to TA about it, because
TA,
I guess
you may want to talk to him.
I don't think he's gonna do it to help. It works before until we move to Charles Schwab.
Yeah, it's the way Charles Schwab does their positioning and does their calculations.
Yeah, I don't
it's
think
like something
anyone
on
can
their
do
back end that makes it so where the study cannot find our average price. And
Can you email me the indicator? I'm gonna call Charles Schwab.
Oh, we called him already.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So what did they say?
They don't know how to do anything. You have to email a special department called the ThinkScrim something, and they don't even know.
Oh,
Well, one of the guy who's really good with this say that the function that we need are broken. So
Yeah. Yeah, Mobius.
yeah.
He's like the ultimate Thinkorswim scripter guy. On if you go up to messages, chat rooms at the top, and you go to there's script lounge, ThinkScript lounge. There's 24 people in it right now. You can message them, and Mobius is in there, and people always say, "Hey, I'm having trouble. I'm out of DKNG."
Yeah. Call it a day too.